What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, Gundam Fan, and today I'll be opening a couple of parcels that I've received. Some of you know, I put some images on my social medias about it, and I'm swallowing my own tongue. Excuse me, I've not been up long and I'm feeling really delicate right now. Working hard. So, without further ado, some people have made a guess as to what they are, and I want to open this carefully because I don't want to break it. I've ordered a few things. The Sandrock Master Grade for Endless Waltz, Gundam Mad, which is the people that sent this over. They sent me an email with some restock because I wanted to buy some Gundam a few months ago, and there's an option to receive an email when they're restocked. I didn't know the restock would take this long, but this is essentially a kit that I needed, and the price is right. Gundam Mad, the shipping's really good and the prices are really good. The only caveat is the low in stock, because the prices are so good and the postage is so good to the UK. Anyway, let's get this bad boy open. Anything else? No? Cool. Another little jiffy bag that I can reuse, just sellotape that up and good to go. But this is sent over by good friends over at Gunprimer, and this is, oh pardon me, the sand loop set. As with all their stuff, really well packaged, seal of approval, and this comes with 220, 320, 400 and 600 grits. So quite coarse grits. So I'll be interested to see what these guys, what this is capable of, because I still need to get the display sand sponge sets, both types. So let's get this sucker out. Oh, I should have done it this way, shouldn't I? You know, I've not been up long and my back is killing me. I might need to start drinking less beer and more water. My kidneys feel like I've been punched in the back by Mike Tyson. If I can get this thing out, there we go. What's this thing? This is just like some backing paper. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So, oh wow, that's really coarse. Less coarse. Less coarse. And the wow, this stuff's like, yeah, this has got to be, yeah, this is a 220 grit. This is what you would sand wood with. So it's going to leave some, and they're different colours as well. So darker to lighter, you are going to notice the difference in the grits. Now also they have an adhesive backing to them for the sanding tool itself. This is a mini handle. I don't know if they do like a maxi, I'm not sure. But obviously if you're going to be using different grits, you're going to need more than one handle. So I'm only going to use this particular one, but I know you can buy different blocks that are different sizes and you just cut different types of tape, stick them to them. Some generic ones, there are some other branded ones out there, but for now we'll be using this one. Again, they didn't need to put it in this presentation packaging, but they did. It's really cool. Okay, you can put it, yeah, nice. You can put it on two sides. You've got level 1 and level 2. So you can put like a high grit and a low grit on there, so you can do some rough stuff, and then just to take an edge down, and then use the other side to sort of buff it out. Now I think you stick the adhesive to this, and because it's perforated, so to speak. It's like textured. It sticks to it, but you can then peel it off, and it won't, you know, you won't tear or get stuck to the tool. Essentially, it's just a perspex, a bit of perspex or frosted perspex with a label and some adhesive edges, or some edges that the adhesive tape can stick to but can peel off of, if that makes sense. So yeah, happy days. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but with the shipping, it's not feasible to just keep replenishing like these sheets, so I can go and get some. I'm pretty sure they do repacks of the actual grit, or you can go to your local you know, hardware store, get these grits, get some double-sided tape, put it on the back, and you're good to go, on a budget. But that's that. Happy days, can't wait to use that. And in addition to my Gunprimer tool set, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Also have the Razor Plus in the post. I'm hoping to receive that soon, because I ordered this, then the Razor Plus, because I get emails from Gunprimer saying that they've had a restock in certain things. One of which, the Razor, they said that it was in stock. I went onto their website, boom, gone. So I tweeted out, I would order one, but you're out of stock. And then I instantly got another email saying they're back in stock again, like that day. And I ordered one straight away, because they go out of stock like silly. I'll tell you what, this protein shake is really good. I can't remember the brand. It's PhD, Performance Smart something. I don't know. The right amount of protein for your diet and your level of activity and stuff like that. Oh, 15 grams or something. You know, if I was doing some high intense training, I'd go for 30 grams or something, or just double the dose, whatever. Again, this is from Gundam. This is from Gundam Mad, but instead of Japanese paper, we have what looks like Daily Mail. The centre pages, the stuff no one cares about, the fashion crap. Right, this is what you should be wearing this season. For those people that can't walk out their house without going onto TikTok and seeing what other people are wearing. Anyway, sorry about that. And we have another higher mobility type Zaku 2 for Gaia and Mash. Now, I've already made Gaia or Mash, I can't remember who goes where, but I'll be building this one. So I've got Ortega all ready to go. He's here, I believe. This is Ortega. Yeah, because he has the Commander crest and his snorkel sort of thing. I've not put them on. Because obviously they're really loose, and I'll put them on when I paint the kit. But as you can tell by his hands, he holds the big axe, or whatever it's called, big massive tomahawk. So yeah, he is part of a trio called the Black Tri-Stars, and yeah, all three of them together are going to look sick. So like I say, I've already got this one done. Just snapped together with the sniper, and I will be making this version, so that will be all three. And I've been thinking about maybe doing a diorama with them all three together on an asteroid or something, looking pretty cool, waiting to ambush somebody, but that's to be decided. But I just wanted to get this kit while I could. It was on Gundam Mad for about 20 quid, plus a few quid postage, so not much. I have been looking online for the third version or another Origins kit, and they've all been like 30, 35, maybe touching 40 quid, so it's too much. But now I've got all three. They are going to be a backlog. They're going to be a backlog project because I'm still doing the Wingverk. I'm going to be doing a little bit more today, and I have another kit on the way. I'm snap building the Death Scythe still, so there's lots going on behind the scenes. I'm just going to bring out stuff to you as quick as I can. I will be doing a video on the wing vehicle where I am, what I'm deciding to do, and all that sort of stuff. Pardon me, all that sort of stuff coming soon. But for now, essentially, that's all I got for you. But yeah, a sanding loop, get one if you can, try it out. I'll be trying it out on some pieces. I've also got some other bits and pieces in the pipeline for sanding. But this is certainly going to help, especially with the stand. I'm pointing off camera because it's over there. If you get the piece on the sand, get nice and level, and you want to level a piece off, you can use this. I would have thought maybe making this bit a bit longer would have helped. Because I don't know, it might be big enough. I'll have to give it a go. See how I feel with it ergonomically in hand. But yeah, there we go. That's what was in the box. Anyway, thanks for joining. If you got this far, please give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Think about subscribing for more content. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.